This is Camden Vantage. We're a 592 property community, so it's a really large community right in the heart of downtown Atlanta. Retention is always a problem, especially in Atlanta, because we're always developing new assets. Vantage is 10 years old, so there's always that mindset of I can go get something new for the same price, and so that's always a challenge. Every one of our hallways have the scent from Prolitec coming through the HVAC system. It's mild, it's a light smell. You smell it just fresh and clean as you come through. Camden is one of the most pet-friendly property management companies in the U.S. We allow 3 pets per home. As you know, dogs and cats and all pets make their own special scents, and that's where Prolitec has really helped Camden, is by coming in and eliminating those odors that we smell, as well as giving a pleasant smell. There's a constant scent that reminds you that this place is clean, is fresh, and is somewhere that you want to live. And we get that feedback from our residents, from our prospects, probably at least once a week, which is huge. So we also use the Prolitec system in our trash chutes. We have 2 large trash chutes that go from the 6th floor down to the 1st floor. And as everyone knows, trash chutes have a very unique smell. I get resident feedback and prospect feedback when I walk past my trash rooms. They don't know what the room is, but they walk past and say, it has a delightful smell. What is that? With any type of scent system or any change, people are going to notice it. So we get 99% of positive feedback from our residents that, hey, thank y'all for cleaning the hallways. Thank you for freshening everything up. It smells great, it looks great. These hallways aren't cleaned any regularly than they normally were. They're not painted. Nothing's been changed other than a scent. Camden actually marketed 65% of your decision is based on smell. So being that we walk in and have a fresh smell, a Camden smell that everyone knows and recognizes, really sets us apart from our competitors.